If you are searching for a character builder tool, so you are at a right place. Today we will check out in this video a character builder tool by which you can create very easily a character what you want or as per your requirement. So just get into the video for this. Now I will open my Chrome. If you are making any UI just like this, so if you need any character to means we can place here any character for UI designing or any post designing, so you can go with this. You can just search on the Google SPAI character builder. Yes, okay, this is a tool, this is a website in which you have to go here, SPAI character builder tool by ui8.net. After opening this, you can select as per your requirement the characters. So you can check this. Here you have the a character of a woman, a female. If you want a male, so you can select here a male one. When you click on the face, just click on the face and you can change its means hairstyle, or means we can say the face of that character. Okay, just like this you can change the cloth also as per your requirement, and this clothing I will change. Okay, and after this you can also change the background. Just click on the background. After clicking on it, you can have several options by which you can select as per your requirement, as I told. So I will select one of them. Okay, and this also I will change to this. And we have the motion also, means we can say that the activity or action of the character, so we can change by this here. If you need a running character, so you can just click here on the left hand side, and standing if you want, so standing was there. If you need for the means in a website or post that cycling, so you can go with this. Okay, so as per your requirement you can just change it. And the thing is that we have another option also in this, a colorful, we can see in the right section, the double tone also there. So when you click on this, the outline and the color was fed to the black and grey. When you are another option also there, outline, when you clicking on this, it will go in the outline just like a sketch. So like this you can check this as I told, as per your requirement. If you need a female character, so that also you can check here. I will select the color one, and here they provided full library of other character also what you want. So you can just sign up here and go with this, their huge library. Okay, so anyone you can select and go with that. I will go back because thing is that I am targeting a free service for this, means how you can go freely. How do we go here and export? It's required a login details, so I will just go here and enter my username. To check my email box, I will go here and check my email, confirm that email. Confirming. After confirming, we can export our character. So just if we need a SVG, so we can go for the SVG the PNG, so we can choose the PNG file. So I will go with the PNG. I will just click here on PNG. Now it's downloaded here. See, this looks very good. And now I will use this PNG image in my camera. I will upload this image from here. Download page section. And like this we can use in the UI template. Just I will choose this from this tool and use it here. Let's look good. And like this you can use as for UI or any post making. So you can use this character like this, and which will very useful. If you think that the video is useful, so you can just like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.